Hi, I'm Nate Bean. I'm the founder and president of Integrity Automotive here in Issaquah, and I'm here with my service manager of 15 years, Tom Johnson. We've been receiving phone calls lately with some unusual types of problems with vehicles that we've been experiencing because of the current situation. So I'd like Tom to talk with you briefly about some tips for you, for now, and for what's coming up in the future for you and your automobile.
With your vehicle sitting for months in at a time, we're finding a lot of people that have been working at home will come out to a dead battery. Simple tip to keep that battery charged, put a maintenance tender on it. But if your vehicle is still not starting, give us a call. We can direct you how to get the vehicle brought into us so we can do a battery health analysis. Also, a lot of people are starting to drive for the first time and getting ready for camping, fishing trips, just summer trips in general. Everybody's getting a little stir crazy. So it'd be a good idea to do a comprehensive health check on your vehicle to make sure everything's in good working order for the road, including that battery test as well. So give us a call. We'd be happy to bring you in, make sure you're nice and safe.
Call us or visit us online at integrityautorepair.com.